Have you ever wondered how some of the details in a new construction home come together? Well, in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down some of the steps that we do to make sure that this part of the process after drywall is executed so perfectly. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified every time we drop a new video. I've helped many people in my coaching program become much more profitable and efficient home builders by implementing some of these processes that you're gonna see in this video. Today is day 82 of the entire project. As you can see, drywall is in, and one of the things I do on every single one of my builds is after drywall is done, before they leave, I have them prime the walls, as you see here, and paint the ceilings. This is gonna be the brunt of the paint that is happening. And yeah, they cover everything up, but at the end of the day, if you ever build before, you know you're always fighting overspray and stuff like that. Now we're gonna go through and we're gonna put our cabinets, we're gonna put our trim. The trim that goes on is already primed, so then they caulk it in and then they're doing final paint at that point in time. They have less they have to worry about. They're just taping up the windows and stuff so that we don't get paint overspray on that for now. And that's really that and tubs is all they have to worry about. So they can get a lot of paint on very quickly, get that done. Then we're gonna put tile in. As you see, we've got prep, they're working next door. Then we've got cabinets going in. We do the tile first so that tile's down and then the cabinets sit on top of that. I want that whole space to be finished. A lot of people put cabinets and then put the tile up to it. You're gonna have like this, then you have to put shoe mold, different things like that. I just personally don't like it. It's gonna save me a couple tiles. I'd rather have the entire floor tiled, cabinets go over the top. After the cabinets, the interior trim is gonna go in. All of our doors, our baseboard, all of the casing, stuff like that, that's all gonna go in. And then of course, after the cabinets get installed, our granite guy or our countertop guy is gonna come template all the tops. They'll put the tops on. The minute the tops go on, we get our tile backsplash done. So therefore, all of these parts and pieces are done, and then all that's left is our finals. We're doing our electrical trim, our plumbing trim, you know, the fixtures and such, HVAC. Now, what we do before all of that, and after all this other stuff's done that I just mentioned, is now we bring them painters in. This is something that I really found that works out better for timeline, and for cleanup mess, for simplicity. It just gives me a better finished job, and also gives me a little bit of primer behind my cabinets. Not that that matters, it's kind of like a internal thing, but it's just something I like to do. So after the paint gets complete, then that's when we're gonna go in and we're gonna put all of our hardware in, finish our electrical work, put all the lights up, do all of our plumbing fixtures, get our HVAC complete. And we're ready for final inspections and get everything finished, punched out, all the little final details, and we're done. I'm here now in the laundry room. We have cabinets going here, so we have base cabinets and wall cabinets, so nothing on this wall. Over here, we've got the washer and the dryer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a shelf and rod going across wall to wall here. So linen closet, first shelf will be 24, and then we'll separate them 16, 16, 16, and 16. So we'll end up with 5 shelves in here. So I'm gonna make this one 80 shelf and rod. Most of the time, a lot of people just do this at 68. There's not really any other space for a broom closet. So I'm gonna go 80 on this one. It's for coats and stuff. People can put a vacuum in here, brooms. Plus you've got your on-cue panel, you've got your shut off. So it gives a little extra storage space. There'll be a shelf up top. 12-inch shelving coming across here. And then it'll go back deeper, another 12 inches right here. So have some deep spaces over here. Come 24 inches off the ground, just like the linens. 24, and then I separate them 16 inches apart each one. This top, let's see, gives, you got 21 minus 10, so it gives another 11 inches of space. Well, once the door's in there, probably about 9 inches of space to be able to put a couple little things up at the very, very top there. 10 foot 5 inches, let's go to 4 foot. We'll go 4 foot on both sides. This is gonna be my main wall here. Leaves us about 29 inches, that's fine. So we'll do 96, 80, 40. 40, 80, 96. Double hanging 40, 80, and then we put another shelf at 96. If you feel like this video is informative and helpful, hit that like button. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Let me know if this is how you would do it or if you have a different way that works very well for you. Your thoughts and questions make these videos even better, so don't hold back. We're in the master right now, so you've got this shelf right here that most people can reach, maybe with a little stool or something for like your everyday, like maybe sweaters, whatever. And then up here would be like something, your seasonal stuff that you can swap out and put up top. So it's a nice little added piece, especially when you have 9-foot ceilings. And then right here in the center, we'll do sweater box / shoe. First half, we'll run shoe. The difference is gonna be, we'll make them slightly angled, and then up top, it'll just be flat sweater boxes going up the rest of the way. Then over here, we'll go 80, 96, so we're giving them 3 foot here. We're gonna take this to 20, that's 24 inches. Leaves us right at 24. So that's what I'll do. I'll slim this down a little bit. What do we have right now? 29. So we want to get 5 inches off here. We'll go another 2.5, 2.5. So then we'll have a match. So it'll be same thing. Sweater box, shoe, another sweater box shoe over here. We have a long hanging right beside it, and box here, double hanging with a shelf, double hanging with a shelf, long hanging with a shelf, good closet, lots of space. So just shot a message over to my wife, who's the designer, on this space. These secondary bedrooms have this little space right here that we created. That could be anything. Like the outlets are up top for a couple different reasons. Someone could put a desk here, make this a workspace. We could put a built-in space, or they could put a dresser here, and then on top of it, they have outlets. They could put charging station, different things like that for stuff that they need. I think she's right. I just wanted to give her one more option. Just make sure that that's exactly what she wants to do. I think we leave this for the creativity of the buyer of who's gonna use the space. For this closet, remember, this is a secondary bedroom. We have a little better than 8 foot on this wall. We have 5.5 feet here, but if we're gonna put hanging clothes here, we gotta figure 2 foot. Once you figure the hanger and all the clothes, you gotta figure 2 foot is the difference. So I think the way, I mean, these are secondary closets. I'm not gonna put that top. So we'll go 40-80, not 40-80, 96 on this one. On the master suite, we'll definitely do 96 and do that top, but I wanna bring some cost down here. So we'll go 40, 80. We'll go 40, 80. So what's gonna happen is we've got double hanging, one bar rod that's gonna be at 40 inches, the other one's gonna be at 80 inches. And then why did I make the space right here? What we'll do here is we'll do some built-ins. So we have built-in boxes right here. So the sweater boxes, whatever. Nothing on this wall because the door is gonna come in here. Someone wants to hang a mirror or something. Probably not really, I mean, I guess there'd be enough space, but nothing we're gonna provide on this. And I think this is gonna be a really nice closet. All right, so this wall, we have 7 feet, 2 inches. So we'll go in between that. So we'll go 3, 1. We'll split this in half, and what we'll do is we'll go 40, 80, secondary bedroom, which is still a very nice closet. 40, 80. I'll mark 24 inches off of here. And what we'll do is we'll make the rest, we'll go 80. And that's it. So we just finished the cable rails on this one. Gives it a cool little look for what we're doing. It has like the center brace there to hold it better, locks in there. It's kind of a cool look for this style home. If you feel like some of the stuff that I'm showing you in these videos would be helpful for you to become more efficient and profitable in your business, shoot me an email at info@homebuildingbp.com. Let's talk about it, see if we're a good fit for each other. And I'll see you on the next video.